Welcome again to ICT and Entrepreneurship College. Today, we are going to explain you some parts of computer. Usual, teacher Jedone. Welcome again, and here you are. There is some part of computer, and if you understand we have motherboard, we have central processing unit, and we have power supply, we have mouse, we have keyboard, monitor, and the random access memory, and we have hard drive, and have computer cases, and external cards, and this is some part of importance of computer. And if you like our channel, please subscribe to this and let us explain into details. The motherboard is the main printed circuit board in a computer. The motherboard is a computer central communication backbone connectivity point through which all components and external peripherals connect. Motherboard can be found in various for computers, especially desktop and laptop. And some image of motherboard. This is like this. Whether you can see motherboard, this is like that. That is motherboard. So, and later the second part. The second part is the central processing unit, which in short called the CPU, and the CPU is like this. Yeah, the central processing unit is like essentially acting as the brain responsible for executing instructions from a computer program by performing calculations and managing data flow between different parts of the system. It is where low data input is transformed into usable information output. So it has some functions like interpret and execute instructions from the operating system and application performing calculation, logic operation, and data manipulation. And there is a components for this, which for the control unity, that is directed the flow of instruction within the CPU, coordinating operation between different components. And it has also arithmetic logic unity, allow perform mathematical and logical operation on data. It has also the third component called the registers, as small or high-speed memory location within the CPU used to temporarily store data current being processed. So, and refers to this the part computer which called the power. Yeah, power supply alternating current from power output direct current at a lower voltage, and this into details is like this. The power supply, as you see here, the power supply is an electronic device that supplies electric power to an electrical load. The main purpose of the power supply is to compound electric current uh, from and see the going part for the mouse. As you see, mouse, this is the part. Here, this is the mouse. The mouse, as you see here on the screen, it's a plural, it's a mice or mouses. Is a hard pointing device that detects the motion relative to a surface. And you see that this motion is basically translated into the motion of the pointer of the cursor on a display allows smooth control of the graphic user interface of a computer. And let us see also the computer, which called the keyboard. Computer keyboard. We have also computer keyboard. Let us see into the service. Computer keyboard. As you see, computer keyboard is in or peripheral moderate after the type white keyboard with open an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as you see the keyboard, it acts as, yeah, it composed with intertext, and the keyboard typically contains keys for individual letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as for specific functions. And as we have told you that a computer keyboard as input devices uses to enter characters and function in the computer system by processing button or key. And welcome again, and we are going to show you other part for the monitor. The monitor control how the cipher and what type of monitor or any device use, and let us see into details. Yeah, a monitor is an electronic output device. Information being entered and processed on a computer. The primary use of a monitor is to display image, text, video, and the graphic information generated by computer video card. And let us see another part of a computer called the random access memory, which for the RAM is a volatile memory unit that stores data that program constantly access and requires details. RAM, as you see there at our screen, you see that random access corridor what it does. Alarm stores data and program does the first key to lock and open dialog. So from adjusting to loading secondary is the program and catching file systems on this which was RAM is for to store data while the computer is on, but closes it when it's turned off. When you close an application, the operating system takes it out of RAM, freeing up space for the next project. And if you are interested in this channel, please subscribe to this. And if you want to advertise for business, please contact 207891069 and let us see another part of computer whether you can see and you can understand with the part of computer. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe now. And we have another type called the hard drive. The hard drive keeps important information safe and secure. Hard drive can be internal or external, and it comes in different sizes and storage capacity. And Let us see here. The hard drive or hard drive is a piece of hardware used to store digital content and data on a computer. There's an volatile storage device employing magnetic disk to permanent store and retrieve data, forming the foundation of computer, laptops, and other electronic devices. And you can see how the hard drive is. And if you want to understand where it is, and please contact us and to be explain more about it. And let us see another part. Another part called the computer cases. Computer cases enclose most of the components of the desktop computer system and provide mechanical support and protection. And let us see into details by finalizing this course. Yeah, case also known as computer is the enclosed application there is the how to compare a computer has all of important or other computing components and codes just like the motherboard, that is right, CPU, and more for smaller desktop unity all the way through network and internet to chat. And let us see there is a function of whether it has the data as the mount and contain all the components in computer like motherboard, hard drive, output drive, floppy disk drive, etc. They typically bundled with power supply. And let us see the last part of a computer called the expansion card. The expansion card printed this all the board to the functional. So, and let us see again the meaning of that also known as extensible or add-on card is an hardware component that you can insert in the computer for functionality. There's a card provided at the and the capability that the computer memory encoded. And you can see how expansion card is already designed. And if you look at the computer, you will see how The extension card is like this. And if you like our is subscribe, and don't forget to share your comment and our content to our friends. And see you again. Thank you for watching. See you soon.